Want to create Gmail accounts safely without needing a phone number? Whether you're building accounts for marketing, automation, or personal use, this method is fast, safe, and simple. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use 9Proxy with GPM Login to register Gmail accounts. No phone verification required. Step 1. Set up your GPM Login profile. Let's start by creating a new profile in GPM Login. Follow along closely and don't skip. Each step is important for success. This profile helps you mask your browser fingerprint and simulate a real user, making it harder for Google to detect automation. Step 2. Configure 9Proxy with GPM Login. Now, open the 9Proxy app on your computer. We'll use it to forward our proxy settings so they can work seamlessly with GPM. Copy the SOCKS 5 proxy info: host, port, username, password. Then, go back to your GPM profile and paste that information into the proxy section. Once done, click Check Proxy to make sure it's working properly, and save the profile. Step 3. Register your Gmail account. Now it's time for the fun part: registering your Gmail account. Launch the profile from GPM Login, go to Gmail, and start the sign-up process. Here's the key: with clean proxies and proper fingerprint setup, Google is less likely to ask for phone verification. No phone number? No problem. Follow the steps exactly and you'll bypass it successfully. If you get stuck or see a phone prompt, don't panic. Just try another proxy or tweak your browser fingerprint slightly. Want a 5% discount on 9Proxy? Use this promo code at checkout. 9Proxy, that's it. You've just learned how to create Gmail accounts without a phone number using 9Proxy and GPM Login, safely and effectively. If this helped you, smash that like button, leave a comment below if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful tutorials like this. More tips and tricks coming soon. Stay tuned.